Welcome to BikeSphere, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting dirt bikes of 2025, the Hero Xpulse 200. With its rugged design, enhanced performance, and updated features, it's built to tackle any terrain. Stick around as we unpack everything this beast has to offer. Design and build. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 retains its signature adventure-ready design, but with notable upgrades. Its high-mounted front fender, sleek LED headlamp, and redesigned tank shrouds give it a more aggressive and modern look. The lightweight yet sturdy frame ensures better durability on rough trails, while the ergonomics are tailored for both standing and seated riding positions. With a 220mm ground clearance, you're set to conquer the most unforgiving terrains. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Xpulse 200 sports a BS 6.2 compliant 199.6 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. Delivering 19.5 horsepower and 17.2 Newton-meters of torque, it's built for a balance of power and efficiency. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox, the bike offers smoother gear transitions for off-road and highway riding alike. The refined fuel injection system ensures optimal performance, even at higher altitudes. Suspension and handling. One of the standout features is the updated suspension system. The long-travel telescopic front forks and adjustable rear monoshock provide unmatched control on rocky or sandy trails. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear spoked wheels, wrapped in dual-purpose tires, deliver excellent grip. Whether you're tackling loose gravel or muddy tracks, the Xpulse 200 ensures stability and confidence. Tech and features. Hero hasn't held back on technology. The fully digital instrument cluster now includes Bluetooth connectivity, navigation assist, and smartphone pairing for added convenience. A new Eco and Rally mode lets you customize the bike's performance to suit your adventure. Additionally, the switchable ABS enhances safety, allowing riders to have more control during off-road escapades. Verdict. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a dirt bike that punches above its weight in terms of value, performance, and versatility. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a weekend adventurer, this bike is designed to elevate your riding experience. With its competitive pricing, it continues to be a top choice for entry-level adventure riders. Outro. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200. Let us know in the comments what you think of this dirt bike and if it's on your radar for 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeSphere for more updates on the latest rides. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.